Hello, this is JNM Reviews, and today I am very excited to review this free sample by Tru Sampler Seltzer. So there are drinks. Most of them are 10 to 25 calories, which is awesome. They have real fruit juice. They don't have added sugar. Some of them have caffeine, but most of them don't. So, for example, this is the True Rescue, and this is blackberry flavor, and it has here is made with electrolytes, Korean pear, lemon balm, blackberry juice. So this is here the supplement facts. For example, this one is focus apple kiwi flavor, and it's great. It has a little bit of caffeine, yerba mate, and apple juice. This is how they look. I wanted to show you here how they look. They're supposed to be seltzer. So it tastes delicious. It tastes like a seltzer apple juice, and it's only 10 calories and it doesn't have any sugar, which is awesome. Here we have the power. So this is good for the workout. The brain is also good for reading, concentration, things that take concentration. So for example, this one has caffeine, green coffee bean, and amino acids, and watermelon juice. So the watermelon juice will give it a flavor. You can enjoy it hot or cold. Like I like it cold. I like it from the fridge. This is the beauty. This is the raspberry flavor. I want to, as you can see, it has the flavor of the raspberry. It tastes delicious. So this is great even with lunch or dinner. This doesn't have any caffeine. It's made with collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, which is great, vitamin A, biotin, and the raspberry juice. This one here is the immunity, and is flavored with pineapple juice, which is great. It has echinacea, vitamin C, ginger, turmeric, the pineapple juice, which is awesome if you're getting if you want to put up your defenses. This is the True Energy Wake Up Blend. So it's orange mango, delicious. This is perfect before your workout in the morning. It does have green tea extract, caffeine, vitamin B, and vitamin C, and the mango juice. Last but not least, number 7 is the True Dream. This one obviously doesn't have any caffeine or green tea. It's just the cherry berry with melatonin, chamomile, GABA, magnesium, cherry juice. So these are great for different things and activities during the day. I hope you check them out. They have a lot of flavors to try, and thank you for watching my video.